they can eat gorka jalongono they can win ke they can eat la jor ke pek luangadian kelio. We have such people in our society. Need to she can go to talk. Cause tin use can mockery. First of all, they are using mockery. They are bullying people. Bikini bull, she tell a lot. You know, it does not matter cause can chanku as long as tell about anything, be mockery be use, okay? And these people they like jumping from the topic of discussion become really create. They either go ahead and attack you, family do become family do attack while they are leaving the real point here. So Kennedy should nature in she can go. They are not. Ramimo, we are on a point. Right con point, okay? Misha na me del right con del eventually GNT way joke. So I mean that you are not a nice person, you are really a bad person, okay? Go to ban tan ban put the position because take an more she billion you know, and these are the people in content chat talk chat go. She can talk you go. It doesn't matter how long she can go they con latke. I know mat nuere. It doesn't matter to them. Okay, and they categorize you have nothing. Tell me that you are not better than anybody. Why do people come to conclusion? By you know jin point do teram lenyi. Who are you? When chukut cha limit ne kan ngwane kan limit. Chua don't charge a limit. They to go can declare as long as you put your mind into it. Do not limit. Miche mingi lare. Chuja tawe ko ngaka mo 18 say somebody was saying ngaka chitna mashi de gorno deal with in ko your department. That is lie. Kokon human being she kuta kon chako de ko de ade ko ngaj. So most important of all me yere community dan kon ware you have to be straight. Bana ka jogo no mele jena wrong but in community for how long rundial chi community cha wegwa and this unity to wenadian Bobo ko kon weri ci kon tok ci kon nok lieng jenal chalara no wa en obun wer bu mat gwa scale down de la ngone to del year del shalibo to rije year to maj mi jiram laut ko ok dere ngaje no mi jiram wot det ke jen chengamo ka pinte gan yal ka twak bi ngaje no ci were rika ko ci kan bu mal chup look and pew to del year beja so kon were lango kon o chana tega gwa chana ronok. Do you feel okay? Mi gujirama mo shuja. Ki de goro de relwak. Chan kangan, chan kaniten kontin. Kwa jila mo kador. Tele kador, but they feel sad no jintale mitegaji. They give it to you. But jino gwadame, she goro de collect. You do not want that. Cause ni jeno, these are the people. Tim kurim ken kugule cham. Chirimadin nuarwewe. And tema nuarwewe ni lel ken. Are you happy about them? So, mijia chana chole mijiak. Mugwa bana chole mugwa. Koko no kon lat chana teka mat. Mat again kwa taran lat ke je ka janat ke char ke je tel individual mede do de jalan metel kon mat. That is why we are fighting right now no chana teka mat, and there are people that are benefiting from the division that we have. Tikon daglani they benefit. But metu kon kamat they do not want that. Cause yerema nana jekana. Jemnen yanam tema kanile kontin lat ko kon jek ke South Sudan. Kadne to kontila kwarkon tinte ke juba kel ke jang ke kirmi yadit. That is why we are suffering. Ko konti kon tok ci kono nok lieng ba kon lelidi